eat healthy. Magandang umaga po, Doc Willie to. Magapis niyawa. Osaka, Japan, Doha, Japan, see Yuki ni. Okay, this time I'm going to impersonate Doc Willie Ong. Do I look like Doc Willie Ong? Many people say that. Just after the election, I look like Doc Willie Ong. I'm so honored. So I prepared a lot to be Doc Willie Ong today. I'll transform to Doc Willie Ong. I watch him every day, and he publishes a lot of informative information with videos. I'm so impressed. So I want to be Doc Willie Ong. Let's transform. First, I need to wet my hair. I will set my hair. So I just wet my hair. Now, Kaya. I'm back. I made my hair wet. I just wipe my hair and I use hairstyling gel. Please keep gel. Okay. Ash, let's go. Hairstyling gel, and the Doc Willie Ong doesn't have nape, so I need to make it shorter. So I need to hide my nape like this. I'll just make it a little longer. He has ab bangs. I need to hide my pillock. These bangs need volume like this, and side need little volume. Let me get hair dryer. Excuse me. I got hair dryer. Okay. Magandang umaga po, Doc Willie. Hairstyle is complete. Next, let's make the face. He's older than me, of course, so I'll make my face. I'll be older using plastic tapes. So, with like this, I got older. And this part, lazy. Okay. Yawa! I hope he wouldn't angry. He's not the band. I like you, Doc Willie Ong. Actually, I'm just impersonating you, so do not ban. He has white hairs, so I make my hair silver like this. White thing. Like this. Can you see? Okay. How's it? Okay. Okay. And this is important. Doc Willie fashion. I researched what he wears, so I have a lot of clothes. Okay. This fashion is very Doc Willie Ong. This is more important. Eyeglasses. I bought this one just for impersonating him because I have good eyesight. Okay, magandang umaga po, Doc Willie to. Eat healthy. Eat always healthy. Eat tomatoes, yogurt, eat apples. I'll be the president. I will make everyone healthy. Doc Lisa is not here. Don't forget to put reaction. Drink too big. It's difficult to impersonate him. That's difficult. How to make joke or serious. Keeping his position is my duty. I cannot say dangerous thing. I need to keep his character. I have to just impersonate him, or I can make a joke, some jokes, but that will be soft or gentle. I'm not sure.
Baka hindi ko lang po na.
I forgot the longest word. Makakakakaba, like this, the long word. Makakakaba. That's how sound like to me, to Japanese. He does like this, and listen here. Eat healthy. I have a book that explain about Tagalog, but I'll just search Tagalog word. Tagalog. Masarap. Kumusta ka? Opo. Mahal kita. Eat healthy. Bisaya phrases that Doc Willie Ong never say. Magandang umaga po, Doc Willie to. Magapis ni Yawa. I forgot. Kidding. I have this one. I bought this one to impersonate him. This is real. This is for medical usage. Take thumb out. Okay, that's it. Salamat sa pagpunta sa Kon Live. I hope you enjoyed a lot. See you next time. Bye. Richard 君さthumb out sa kato. Put red pepper.